Hey there, in this video I'll show you how to transfer photos, files and videos from your Windows 10 or 11 computer across to your MacBook. I'll be using this USB key in this example. However, if you have a larger external hard drive, the principle's just the same. So let's start by plugging this into the laptop. The Windows Explorer pops up. Now, the first thing we want to do is copy any data that you want to save to your computer. Reason being, we're going to format the drive, but first off, let's copy and save the data. So I have a folder here called Stuff. I'll drag this to my desktop. Great. Now, go to the Explorer down the side and you'll see your drive. Now, as a precautionary note here, I suggest that you remove any other drives from your computer at this point, just to make sure you don't accidentally delete the wrong one. As you can see, I have just the one here, which is the D drive with these letters. Next, we right-click on it, and then go to Format. Here we have the capacity, it's 32 gig. File system, here we have three choices. The first one is NTFS. This can work, but it's not ideal. If we choose NTFS, we can copy files from Windows to the Mac, but we can't copy from the Mac to Windows. So we won't use that. FAT32 is the next option. This has a limitation on file size, 4 gig max. So the best option is exFAT, which doesn't have any file size restriction, and you can copy from Windows to Mac and Mac to Windows. So choose exFAT. We'll leave 128 kilobytes. We'll leave this option, and we can change the volume label. I'll call it backup. We'll go for a quick format, leave that ticked, and click Start. It gives us a warning that all will be erased, and format is complete. We'll close this window, and let's go back to our drive. Click the Explorer, and you can see on the left-hand side, the drive is now called Backup. Let's pop a file into this backup folder and transfer this to our Mac. Here at the MacBook, I'm ready to plug in the USB key to the hub connected to my MacBook. We'll pop that down, and as we watch the screen, we'll see a drive pop up called Backup. Double click that, and here we can see the file I wanted to transfer. So I'll simply drag this to the desktop, and it's been transferred. Now let's just confirm we can copy from the Mac over to Windows 11. I have a picture of some random footballer here. Let's copy him onto this drive and copy this over to Windows. Let's put the USB drive back into the Windows 11 computer. The file is here from the MacBook. Let's drag this onto the computer and check that we have this unknown footballer copied across from our MacBook. So I hope that's been useful. If it has, really appreciate it if you can give the video a thumbs up. It helps with my outreach. Thanks a lot for watching my video, and I wish you a great day ahead.